How are
I'm
you?
fine.
Okay, very good. Okay, listen, I've got a new flashcards for you, and I want to see
I'm
these
fine.
flashcards. Can you see the flashcards? Okay,
Yes.
we have got lots of flashcards today, and we're going to see what do we know. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, and
Yes.
I want you to look down.
Yes.
I want you to look down and let us see what do we have here, okay? Okay, very, very good. Okay, we have got numbers, colors, animals, food, toys, and many more, okay? Let us see what do you see in the picture. What do you see on the picture? Okay, let's go with Vedat. Vedat, can you tell me who is it?
Snake.
Snake. What about this? What is it?
Mouse.
Mouse. What is the name of the mouse? Vedat, what is the name of the mouse? Okay, maybe Yara knows. Yara, do you know what is the name of the mouse?
Inky.
Inky. Very good. Let's continue with Yara. Yara, what is it?
Bee.
What is it? Crab. Well done. Very good. Ali is going to answer my question. Ali Altavi, tell me, Vedat said that this was mouse.
Yes, teacher.
This was mouse, and the name of the mouse is Inky.
Yes.
Which sound does it start?
A.
E.
I.
E. We don't say I. We say E.
E.
Hey, what about the snake? Which sound does it start? Well done. We have got a crab here. What sound does it start? Well done. What about the bee?
B.
No. We say b. Say it again.
B.
Well done. Very good. Okay, we continue with Alrim. Alrim, look at this picture. Can you see this small thing here? Can you see this small thing?
Yes.
What is it? What is it? What do we call it? And which sound does it remind you? Look, Alrim, look at Vedat. Vedat is trying to show what sound does it remind you. What sound is it? Look at this. Look at this. Okay, Ali Wahab, maybe you know, maybe you can support Alrim. Can you tell me what sound does, what did you say? And well done. Can you tell me what sound does it remind you? What sound does it remind you? Vedat, help them. Well done. Can you show me the action of a sound? Well done, everyone. Well done, Ali Wahab, keep your camera open. Okay. Ali Altabi, what is it?
Bean.
No, look at this one. Look at this one very attentively.
Spider.
Spider, well done. Ali Wahab, can you tell me what sound does the spider start? What sound does it start? Spider. What sound do you hear?
S.
We don't say S, we say S. Say it again. S. Say it again. S. Say it again.
S.
Okay, S. Well done. Okay, what else do we see here? What do you see on the picture? What do you see on the picture? What do you see here? What is it? Ali Wahab, can you tell me what is it?
Egg, my name is Dad.
Yes, I know. I'm talking about Ali Wahab. Ali Wahab, these are eggs. Vedat has already taught. What about this all together? Look, Vedat, we have got eggs and we have got something. It's inside of the something. Inside of what? Inside of the nest. This one is called a nest. Can you tell me? Nest. Nest. Well done.
Nest.
Well done. Can you show me the nest with actions? Let us go. Nest. Look at this. Okay, we're going to play a game. Are you ready for the game? Okay. But what happens, I will be showing you the object. You will look at the object and you will not tell me what it is. You will just show me everything with actions. Are you ready for that?
Okay.
Yes.
Let's go.
صورة مثلا الأنت.
Okay, let's go. Say that
شنو
with
هي الأنت؟
Yara. Okay, let's go. Bedad, look at this. Can you see this?
Yes.
Show me this with actions. Tell me what it is. What is it? What is it? Crab. Say that. Crab.
Crab.
Okay, now let's show the crab. So we have k, right? We have k. Crab. What sounds do you hear? Tell me. K.
Ra.
No. There's one vowel sound in it. Crab. K, r, a,
E.
p. Crab.
E.
R, a, p. K, r, a, p. Crab. Show me k. Action of k. Vedat, show me the action of k. Well done. Then comes r. Show me the r. R. We're just learning it. We will be learning. Well done. We will be learning. It's a new sound. And then a. Show me the action of a. Okay. Show me the action of p. Well done. This is the way we show, okay? You just look at the item and you start telling what it is. Okay? Well done. You did a great job. We continue with Yara. Yara, look at this. It's an ant. Now, Yara, tell me, how many sounds do we have in the ant? Tell me all the sounds. Ant. A. Then. Then. T. Well done. A. N. T. Now show me the actions. Show me the action of A. Then N. Then T. Well done. Well done, Yara. You did a great job. Very good. Okay, now Ali. Ali is going to show us. Ali, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let me see.
Me.
Wait. Yes, you are going to tell us, but I have to see what do you know and what you don't know. Okay, tell me what do you see now? Wait, give me a second, please.
Okay.
Okay, give me a second. Let me see what do you see, and then we can continue, okay? Okay, let me find something for you which you can tell me. Just a second, please. I have to find something easier so that you can tell me.
Okay.
Okay, let's go from here. Okay, what do you see on the picture? What is it?
Cat.
Cat. Can you show me cat with actions? Well done, very good. That's amazing. And we continue with another trick again, Ali. Another trick for you. Let's try a little bit different one. Tell me what it is. What is it? Ali, we cannot hear you. Ali Altavi. What is it?
Pen.
And hold on. Close your fingers. Ali, close your fingers.
Okay.
Sounds one by one.
T.
Two.
T. T. N.
No.
N.
No. Ali, let's try. Tend to. Then.
T. E.
Eh.
N.
N. Then.
T.
To. Tend. Let's go. Show me the first action.
T.
Show me action.
T.
Then.
N.
Eh. Eh. One. Third one.
N. N.
Then. Fourth one.
T.
Well done. Very good. We continue with Alrim. Alrim, are you ready?
Yes.
Alrim, what is it?
Pencil.
Okay, we call it pen. Say it again.
Pen.
The pencil looks like this. Look, this one is pencil, but this one is a pen. Okay. Now tell me, Alrim, close your fingers. Close your fingers. Okay, well done. Now tell me sound by sound. Tell me pen. What's the first sound? Pen.
Ah.
No, pen. Pen. What is the first sound?
Pen.
So the first sound is p. What is the second sound? Well done. And the third one is? Well done. Tell me the action of p sound. I need the action of p. Tell me p sound. Don't write. Alrim, don't write. Just show. Yara, can you help Alrim to show p sound? Look at Yara. Alrim, look at Yara. Look at Yara. Yara. Alrim, do you know how to show a sound action? Yes, a. Yara, show a sound. No, Yara, it's a. We talk about a. And Yara, show me n sound. Well done. Very good. Very good. We continue with different one. We continue with Ali Wahab. Ali Wahab, are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. What is it? What is it?
Hat.
Hat. Now close your fingers. Close your fingers. Okay. Start telling me, what's the first sound? Hat. What is the first sound? Ali Wahab, I'm talking to you. Please keep your camera open. Otherwise, we cannot play together. Please open your camera.
Huh?
Ali, open your camera. Otherwise, I will pass to another child. Keep your camera open. Remember. Ali, let us go. What is the first sound? Hat. What is the first sound? Let's go. What is the first sound, Ali? Ali Wahab. Ali Wahab, I'm talking to you. Please switch on your microphone. Okay, I think the company director should solve this issue because every time when I want to work with Ali Wahab, he keeps his camera closed and microphone switch off. I cannot. Ali.
Ha.
First sound is H. Okay, what is the next sound? What is the next sound? Okay, Ali, look at me. Don't look at mommy. Don't look at daddy. Just look at me, okay? Okay, so at. Let us go. Show me the action of who sound. Who sound? Okay, I think Vedat should help him. Vedat, can you show him who sound? Well done. Ali, repeat. Ali Wahab, repeat. Ali Wahab, show me the action of a sound. Show me the action of a sound. Well, I cannot work with him. I'm going to stop working with him and I pass to Saud. Saud. Said. Is that Said? We've got a newcomer. Who's that? Saud. Okay. So let's go. Let us talk about the sounds. Do you know all the sounds?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Tell me hat. Show me hat. Action of who sound. Can you show me the action of who sound? Show me. Show me the action of next sound. What's the next sound? Show me a sound. Show me the action of to sound. Well done. Now we're going to play another game. Are you ready for the next game?
Yes. Yes.
This time I'm going to show and you're going to find, but I'm not going to tell sounds. You are going to find. Are you ready?
Yes. Yes.
Let's go. We
Already.
Okay, well done. We start with Vedat. Vedat, let's go. Yours is this. One, wait, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Try to think about this. Well done. Blend the word. Blend the word. No. Look at Vedat. Look at me.
Pan.
Well done. Clap your hands. Clap your hands, guys. Everyone, clap your hands for Vedat. Well done. You did it. You continue with Yara. You continue with Yara. Yara, are you ready, Yara?
Yes.
Okay, let me see. Let me see what can I ask you. Wait, give me a second. Give me a second. Okay. Okay, let me try. Okay, the next one is, wait. Give me a second, please, because, okay. The next one, Yara's word is this. Blend the word, put it together, blend it. Well done. Clap your hands. Clap your hands for Yara. She did it. Amazing. We continue with Ali. Ali Altavi. Are you ready, Ali?
Yes.
Okay, let's go with you. Let me try to see what I can find for you. Okay, this is your word.
Huh.
Well done. You did it. Clap your hands. Well done. But Ali, blend the word.
Okay.
Blend the word. What did you get?
No. Hen.
Wow. Wow. You did it. Amazing. Alrim, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let me see what I can do for you. Okay, we have to find the words that you already know. Okay, let me try something new. Give me a second, please. Okay. Okay, let me find the words, the new word for you, which I can do for you. Okay. Let's try. Alrim, look at this.
Crab.
No, what sound is it?
Ka, ka, ka.
What sound is it?
Ah, ah, ah. P, p.
Well done. K, apple. Blend it
K, up.
together.
Crab.
Well done, Cat. Clap your hands. Well done, Alrim. You did it. Fantastic. Very good. Ali Wahab, are you ready? Ali Wahab, are you ready to join us?
Yes.
Let us walk with you. Okay, let us walk with you. Okay. Okay. Mine is this. Okay. Look at me. What sound is it? Tell me the sound. Ali Wahab. Look at me. Ali Wahab.
D.
T, not d. T, t, t. Say it again. T, t, t. T, t, t. Okay. And the next one is? I want you to look at me, not around. Look at me.
E.
Nope. 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 Try again. Maybe Saud will help you. Saud, can you help Ali Wahab? What sound is it?
E.
Try again. Who can help to Ali Wahab? Ali Altawi, can you help Ali Wahab?
Okay.
Well done. So Ali Wahab, t, the next sound is this.
No.
Ali Wahab, tell me what sound is it? What sound is it? Well done. T, n, and the next one is? What sound is it?
T.
T. So t, n, t. Blend it together. Blend it. Put it together. Blend. Blend it. Hurry up. Hurry up. T, n, t. T, n, t. Ali Wahab, listen. T, n, t. T, n, t. Together make? Say it louder and try to speak faster. T, n, t. T, n, t. Tell me, what do you hear? T, n, t. T, n, t. T, n, t. T, n, t. Who can help Ali Wahab?
T.
Saud, what do you hear? T, n,
Tent.
tent. Well done. You did a great job. Okay, I'm asking from Said. Are you ready, Said?
Yes.
Okay. Let me try for you. Okay. This is your goodness. What sound is it? Say it, Said.
Mm.
what sound is it?
Eh.
What about this? Well done. And
T.
so n, s, t, n, s, t. Say it. Don't
Yes.
look around. Yes, but don't look around, okay? Because we are trying to help you, support you here. We don't want your parents to help you, okay? We want us to help you. We're here to help you, okay? Okay, very good. Okay, very good. And we're going to start a new story. But before the new story, I want to hear the actions you know, the sounds you know. Let's go. Okay, let us see what do we know. I want everyone to look at here. Wait, I will try the smaller one. And give me a second. I'm going to bring my pencil. Just a second.
Okay.
Look at here. Look at here. What is it? Let me start with Vedat. Vedat, tell me what sound is it?
Letter.
No. Tell me sounds. What sound is it?
S.
Okay, we start one by one. Okay, Said, wait. Vedat. Say it again. Do you know this one? No, we don't know. We are going to learn it new, okay? It's a new one. I'm going to tell you a new story today. We continue with Yara. Yara, let us start.
Rabbit.
We say, I will tell you the story and we will learn it. Just a second. Yara, let's go. What sound is it, Yara? Well done. Well done. Continue. Hurry up. Pass to another one. The next one. Other one. The other one. Okay. The next one. Well done. The other one. The next one. And one. Well done. Wow. Fantastic. That's enough. We continue with Ali. We continue with Ali. Ali Altavi. Let's go with you. Hurry up. Ali Altavi. Let's go faster.
No.
Well done. We continue with Said. Said, let's go with you. Continue this one. Said, look at me. Look at me. Let's go. Look, Yara is trying to support you. Say it.
Eh, eh, eh,
Well done. Okay, let's go. This one. Said, look at this. This one.
ha, ha, ha.
Well done. Very good. We continue with Ali Wahab. Ali Wahab, are you there? Ali Wahab, are you there? Let's continue. Hurry up. Tell me the sounds one by one.
Yes, teacher.
Tell me the sounds. Ali Wahab, let's continue. What sound is it, Ali Wahab?
Is.
It's not is. It's s. Show me. Well done. Very good. This one? No, look at this one.
Uh,
Ah.
uh.
This one?
D.
This one?
D.
E.
E.
Tell me this one.
B.
This one.
N.
This one.
K.
The other one.
A.
The next one.
H.
The other one. You don't know because it's me one. Okay, Alrim, are you ready? Let's go with you, Alrim. Tell me the sounds. Hurry up because I'm going to tell you a new story. Let's go. Well done. The next one, Alrim. The next one.
E.
No. Look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one. Okay, E, and then this one. Look at this. Alrim, look at this. P. What about this one, Alrim? Well done. Let us pass to the next one. Okay, the other one.
No.
The next one. Show me the action. Well done. Amazing. Okay, do you want to hear a new story from me? Do you want to?
Yes.
I'm going to tell you a new story. And the new story is about dog. Have you ever seen a dog?
Dog.
No? No?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Let me show you a dog. Look at my dog. Can you see this dog?
Dog.
Can you see?
Yes.
Okay. So the new story is about this
No.
dog. The new story is about this dog, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Now what happens there?
Now.
Look at this. Look at here. Story.
This
A dog. Yes. And there's a boy.
Dog.
Can you see the boy? Can you see the boy?
It's a boy.
Okay, this is boy. Well done.
A boy.
Well done.
It's a dog.
Yes. Now look at this. Can you see Alrim? Alrim, look at here. Look at this. Can you see?
Yes.
Are small. Now look at this. There was a rat. Okay, rat. Okay, the name of the puppy, we can call it a dog. and we can call it a puppy. Say it again. Puppy.
Dog. Puppy.
Yes, you can say
Puppy.
puppy or you can say dog. Okay.
Puppy.
Can you see this purple thing here? Do you know what is it? It's a blanket. It's a blanket. The dog took the blanket from the bed. Can you see the bed?
Yes.
Okay, the blanket was on the bed. Suddenly, the dog, and the dog's, we can call it puppy as well. The puppy's name is Rag. Okay? Rag.
Yes.
So Rags is a playful puppy who has a piece of rag blanket. Can you see the blanket?
Yes.
Mother wants to wash the blanket because it's dirty. She wants to wash it, wash. But
Yes.
when the boy tries to take away, the puppy grips it. Grips. You know what's grip? Grip is taking something rude away. Taking something rude away. For example, this is a caterpillar, and I'm trying to grab it. So it takes and starts gripping. Now the grip the blanket in its teeth. Teeth. Can you see the teeth? Teeth are this. Its teeth. Okay, with teeth. And it shakes its head, making Can you do it? Yeah, kind of this and trying to rip. Well done. Let us listen the music. Okay, let us sing a music. Are you ready to join me to sing?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, I do. Look what I look. I do like that.
Again. Okay, 1, 2, 3. See my puppy with the rag. See my puppy with the Okay, let's go this way. Bring me something from your house. Bring me something from your house. It can be a blanket. It can be anything you want. Jacket. I don't know.
Okay.
Find something from your house.
Puppy and blanket.
Okay, find something. And I'm going to tell you to pull it. Now let's go. We need to help. I will try this leg. This is my daughter.
And
Don't put it. This is my daughter. Her name is Ellen. Say hello. Well done. Take this.
a teacher, a green paper.
Ask your parents to help you. Keep it. Keep it.
My parents helped me.
Well done. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It's going to be the winner. Pull it. Pull. So
I
this,
can't even.
well done. This one is called pull. Irene, ask your mommy to help you. Take this. Take a towel. If you have, take this harder. And let's pull. 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 You have one more word. We say it push. Look at this. Look, it is here, and pushing it. I'm pushing, pushing, pushing. I'm pulling, pulling, and I'm
Teacher, look. I did it. Pushing.
tap, push, 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 push. Well done. Okay. Do you know now what's pull and push?
Yes.
Let's show you. Well done.
Yeah. Look,
Amazing.
my this is panda.
Let us sing a music again. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
See my puppy with the rat. My puppy with the rat. When he pulls the horse. Do you know what's rag? Do you know what's rag?
Yes.
Okay, what's your rag? Can you show me your rag? Show me rag.
Okay.
Show me rag. Show me rag, and I'm going to show you my rag. Do you want to see my rag? Okay. Look, my daughter is on the rag. My rag.
Teacher.
Yes.
My brother.
Is your brother trying to help you to pull it? Well done.
Yes.
Can I see his face?
Yes, that is get like that. And there I see like that.
Oh, Irene, you're doing a great job, Irene. Well done, Ali. So that's a rag, okay? So that one is a rag. And let us look at the picture and see what we have is the root sound. Look at my picture, look at my story. Let us see what do we see here with root sound, okay?
Yes.
Look at here.
Yes.
Okay, look at here. Can you see this?
Yeah.
This one is a rat. Say it.
Teacher, I go in the bathroom.
Let's go and come back. This one is a rat. Say it again. Rat. This one is Inky Mouse, but this one is a rat. So rat is a little bit bigger than the mouse. Okay, it's a little bit bigger. So can you tell me what it is? What is it? What is it? Rabbit. A rabbit. Well done. And it starts with
Rabbit.
rabbit. Look at this car. Can you see this car?
Car.
But this car is a racing car.
Racing car.
Racing car. Well done. This is
Racing car.
well done. Very good.
What is this?
Yes.
Teacher.
Yes. Yes, I'm listening you. Which one are you asking? Look at this. This one is a horse. And there's this side, horse. Well done.
This dog.
Yes, dog. Very good. And the dog's name is Rex. Rex. Done. Very good. Let us sing the music again.
Okay.
See my puppy with the rat. My puppy with the rat. Let's go one more time. See my puppy with the rat. See my puppy with the rat. Well done. Now, push. Well done. The dog is pulling the rag. The dog is pulling the rag. Without mom, without is pushing the dog. Very good. Okay, let us write the roo sound. Are you ready to write it?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm right.
Take your marker and bring your boards and let us try. Also on the workbook. Let's start with the workbook. Can you see my workbook? If you want, you can try in the workbook as well. Okay, let's go. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. You have to do one small line like this. Can you see the line? One straight line. Write one straight line and a little bit up and down. Pretend you're writing the new sound, but you don't write it to the end.
Bad. Okay.
Mm,
Teacher, I
well done. But Alrim, look at me. Your looks a little bit different. Let me share with you my board.
Teacher, can you see?
Well done, Vedat. Very good. Alrim, look at me. Look at my board. Can you see my board?
Yes.
Okay, Alrim, look at this. Look at this. Okay, please stop writing there. Please stop writing there. I will just show everyone how to write. Okay, Alrim, look at this. I'm trying to write one straight line and acting like I'm writing this sound, but I'm not. So it becomes like R. And this is lowercase, and the uppercase looks like that. R, one straight line, and then little bit down, kind of circle, and straight again. And this one is R. Now I want everyone to show me one by one how do you write it. Vedat is okay. I want to see Yara. Yara, can you show me R? Yara, show me R.
Teacher, look.
Well done, Saeed. Very good. Okay, very good, Alrim. Ali, very good. And who is that? Ali. Ali, try to write. Ali, you have got two Alis. The other one, Ali Altawi is great. Ali, Wahab, please write with uppercase Ru as well. Uppercase Ru. So everyone has done a great job. Well done. Amazing, guys. So we are going to do a little bit fun of playing. Are you ready for the playing game?
Yes, I'm ready. Yes.
I'm going to show and you're going to find it. Are you ready? Pull and push.
Yes.
Okay. So if
I
you
love the game.
well done. If you find it, I will pull it. If you don't find it, I will push it. Okay? Let's go. We start with Vedat. Vedat, this is your word. This is your word. What is it? What sound is it, Vedat? Okay. So what is the word? Blend it. What is the word? Famous sounds? Yes, say it, say it.
Red.
Rat, well done. So I'm pulling you to myself. I'm pulling you to myself. Amazing. Very good. So we start with Yara. Yara, are you ready? Okay.
Yes.
Yara, look at me. Look at me. Okay. Well done. Very good. So blend it. Blend it together and tell me. Rip. Well done. Very good. Rip. Well done. Amazing. Rip. Okay, you did a great job. So I'm pulling you to myself. I'm pulling you to myself. And I'm going to continue with Saeed. So just give me a second, please. Okay, just a second, please. Just a second, please. Okay. Just a second, because I need your help. And I need just you to wait for a while, a little bit, so that I can find the words with real sound, right? Okay, Saeed. Okay. I'm going to find the word for you with real sound. Okay. Okay, it's a little bit less with real sound, but I think I can find it. Aha, I found it for Said. Said, look at me. Look at me. Said. Okay. So, blend it.
Rep.
Well done. So I'm pulling Said to myself. Pulling Said to myself. Well done, Said. Good job. Ali Altavi, are you ready for the game? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. If you find, I will pull you to myself, okay? So it's this one.
E.
No, look at this. The new sound.
E.
Well done.
A. N.
Blend it.
Run.
Well done. I'm pulling Ali to myself. Pulling Ali to myself. Well done. Okay, Alrim, are you ready? Alrim, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let us start with you. Something interesting. Let me see if I can find something. Okay, I found for you. Alrim, look at this.
Mm.
No. Look, Alrim, the new sound. Well done. Well done. Well done. Blend it. Blend it, Alrim. Blend it. Okay, Alrim, try to put it together. What do you hear? Together. Rat.
Correct.
Well done. I'm pulling iron to myself. Pulling iron to myself. Well done. Very good. You guys are doing a great job. Let's continue with Ali Wahab. Ali Wahab, are you ready? Ali, are you ready? Okay, I'm going to ask you to find for me. Let me see what I can ask you to find. Okay. Something with R. Okay. Ready? Ali Wahab. Let's go.
Yes.
Tell me the sound.
Go to the bathroom.
Yes, you can go say it. Okay. Ali. Well done. What sound is it? Blend it. Blend it. Put it together. Together. I want to hear together. Ru'ana. Ali Wahab, tell me what is the word? Run. Well done. You did a great job, guys. You did a great job today. So don't forget to pull and to push. Okay? Okay, well done. Okay, saying goodbye. Bye-bye.
Goodbye. Goodbye, teacher. I love you. Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye.
Bye, teacher.